ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, no? Kung kailan niyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Now, tingnan natin kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Queen of Wands, the World card, and the Eight of Swords. So, bakit nagkaganito? Siguro after may umamin, after magsabi ng totoo, bakit parang may na-turn off or biglang nagbago itong person na ito? Siguro unexpected yung pagkakasabi ng or pag-amin ng nararamdaman. Kasi, kunyari, after kong magsalita, kunyari ako yung may gusto sa'yo, no? After kong magsalita na gusto kita, meron akong nararamdaman sa'yo, bigla akong nawala, bigla akong nagtago, bigla akong hindi nag-message, hindi nagparamdam. As if siguro kung ikaw, maiisip mo, aksidente ba yung sinabi niya? Tama ba yung narinig ko? Bakit? Kung kailan naman pwedeng umamin din ako, pwedeng ganun din to eh. You can put this into a perspective after mo, siguro, kunyari ikaw, kung ikaw naman yung nagsabi sa akin about how you feel, nagkaroon ng awkwardness to a point na na-feel mo yung coldness ko, to a point na hindi mo na ako narinig, hindi mo na ako nakita. At parang meron nga ditong connotations of nagtatago ako. Is it out of hiya? Is it out of ano ba to? Ayaw ko ba sa'yo? Yung parang ganon. Ayaw ba nito sa akin? Bakit bigla na lang nawala nung umamin ako? Pwedeng ganun din to, no? With the Fool card and the Six of Swords. So, pwedeng nga ikaw ito, pwedeng yung person mo. Again, you can switch the energy sa what I am reading is the dynamic naman. So, kasi parang nangyari dito, ngayon, kung sino man yung umamin, whether ikaw or yung person mo, parang ang realization dito is, parang mali pa yata, no? Parang napasama pa yata yung pag-amin ko. Sana pala, hindi na lang ako nagsalita. So, sana pala hinayaan ko na lang, kumbaga sa mangga, no? Kumbaga sa prutas na mangga, hinayaan ko na lang sanang magbunga, hinayaan ko na lang sanang mahinog, no? So, me and my big mouth, baka sinisisi pa nitong umamin na ito na bakit pa kasi binuka ko yung bibig ko? Bakit pa ako either nag-offer, bakit pa ako nagsalita? So, the Page of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. Ngayon parang meron ditong nahihirapan ibalik, no, yung dati. Ngayon, parang it's either nahihirapan ako mag-reach out sa'yo, nahihirapan ako ilapit yung sarili ko sa'yo ngayon, or either nahihirapan akong kausapin ka. Meron ditong awkwardness. The World card changes everything. Na parang naging burden pa. Pwede rin dito may nakapagsabi din. Yon, isa yun sa mga possibilities. Na bakit kasi yung sinabihan ko no, na ay gusto ko to, crush ko to, blah blah, yada yada. Parang nung nasabi niya, hindi pa dapat, bakit mo sinabi? Hindi pa dapat, para sa ating dalawa lang yon. Ngayon, things are exposed, nahihirapan din ako ngayong ibalik yung dating ako. Yung parang ganon, no? The bottom line is, nung na-expose yung feeling ng isang tao, imbis na umayos, nagkagulo-gulo. With the Five of Pentacles, wow, and the King of Cups. So, meron ditong pag-iwas talaga. Ito ba yung mga situation na ayokong sirain yung friendship? Uy, may naaalala ako. Meron akong, when I was a little younger, no, may gustong-gusto akong tao. And we are somewhat, no, nagkaroon kami ng mutual understanding. Tapos yung tao, confession ito, yung taong yun may jowa kasi, no, same gender. Ngayon, nung parang nagiging close kami, nag-break sila eh. But it's not me the reason. Gusto ko lang i-clarify yun. Meron sila mga differences. So, they found out their differences. Nung meron na kaming chance na maging kami, because meron na rin siyang inamin sa akin. And then, nakapag-usap kami na ang ganda kasi ng camaraderie namin. We are linked, no? Not just by our feelings, but we are talking about spiritual things then, no? So, parang bigla namin naisip, alam mo, kapag nasira itong friendship na ito, baka masira, hindi na rin tayo magkita, no? Or magkaroon tayo ng awkwardness. Parang ganito nga yung nangyari. So parang we decided rather, na we will not cross the boundary of becoming a lover. I mean, we will not cross the boundary of becoming friends. We weren't gonna be a lover. So, up until now, that friendship, ang weird, no? That friendship still intact. We barely see each other. Pero may mga years na hindi kami nakikita. May mga months and years na hindi kami nag-uusap. But every time we get a hold on each other's schedules, kapag nagkita kami, it seems like things, yung amount of time na hindi namin pagkikita, parang nagko-continue lang, na parang kahapon lang tayo uli nagkita, no? Dumadating kami dun sa part na we are sleeping together. Sleeping, like literally, magkatabi, no? There may be some, mga holding hands, ganyan. But we always make it to a point that there are boundaries between us. And I think that that's one of the most valuable friendship that I treasure, no? And we have known each other for more than 20 years now. So, may mga nagkikita kami, nanonood kami ng sine, pumunta ako sa kanila, that was the last time before siya ma-promote. And then, yun yung last time, no? We greeted each other the New Year. Pero nandoon yung, yung connection. I know na parang parang hindi natatapos. Sabi nga namin, we're probably soulmate, no? That needs sometimes soulmate. You have to learn how to accept that that is your mate, soulmate. It doesn't have to be romantic. It doesn't have to be may nangyayaring sexual, no? Yeah, that person's still single. Anyway, it's not about me. Pero parang ganito, nagkaroon ng awkwardness. Is this some sort of that kind of situation na parang iniingatan ninyo? So this is your reading. Or my reading. So kung nandito kayo sa situation na ito, it's actually worth it to stay it that way. But then again, that's for me on my situation, but I don't know with you. No? So kung meron kayong mga katanungan sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Capricorn, Sagittarius, Libra, Pisces, Virgo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Aries, Gemini. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.